Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and reset the oil life. So you want to go ahead and start the car. This is a Mazda CX-5, by the way. This is a 2021, but once your interior look like this, it's the same. Basically it's the same to reset the Mazda maintenance light, because it's also the same as the Mazda 3 and the other one. So you want to press home. This is what you're going to use to control the screen. You should know that already because this is your car. So you want to go all the way over to application. So you want to turn to the left to go all the way over to application. Press enter by just pushing down on here, and then you want to scroll down to vehicle status monitor. And once you scroll down to that, you want to press enter. You want to scroll down to maintenance, press enter, and then you want to go down to oil change, press enter, and then you want to leave it at flexible, because what it when it's at flexible, it will tell you, hey, you need to service the car now based on how you drive. So just gonna scroll down to reset, press reset. That's gonna come up. Gonna go over reset, press reset. It's gonna change to 7,500. So that's it, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.